Hello everyone, welcome back to the World.Wide.Weapons channel. The subject of today's military technology video is a record holder, the world's largest and heaviest helicopter, the Mi-26 Halo. Maximum load 20 tons. Range approximately to 1,000 kilometers. Powered by two turboshaft engines with 11,000 horsepower. The Mi-26 is the world's first helicopter with 8 propeller blades. Each wing is 15 meters long. The tips of the wings rotate at close to the speed of sound, and the edges are reinforced with titanium. Propeller diameter of 32 meters. So it has the wingspan of a Boeing 737. Thunder is a monster. It is the Terminator of the helicopter world. So why did the Russians feel the need to build such huge helicopters? It's not because of an obsession with size. The Russians have a very logical reason. The Russian Federation is the largest country in the world by area. It was a much larger country during the Soviet Union. Having such a large surface area has some advantages and disadvantages. The biggest advantage is to utilize underground resources and strategically gain regional superiority. However, if you are such a big state, it is also a disadvantage to keep this big state under control. Defense is very difficult in this huge geography. In the 1950s, the Soviet Union needed much larger helicopters to transport its air defense systems and ballistic missile systems to these areas in the event of war. In 1959, the Mi-6 appeared. It was a giant helicopter with a 12-ton cargo carrying capacity. It met the needs of the Soviet Union in Siberia. However, the Moscow government wanted a bigger helicopter. In 1970, a new project was launched. The aim of this project was to develop a helicopter much larger and more capable than the Mi-6. The project was headed by Martychenko and Mikhailmy. The design called for the fuselage of this giant helicopter to be very light. This posed a huge problem, but engineers solved this problem with Russian titanium mines. A lot of titanium and aluminum lithium were used in the body of the Mi-26 Halo. In this way, both a lighter and more robust body was created. As a result of the improvements, the first prototype began testing in 1977, after 3 years of development. Serial production started in 1980. In 1984, this giant helicopter was introduced to the world. This giant helicopter, which could reach a speed of 300 kilometers per hour, caused astonishment all over the world. Its hangar was enormous. It could carry all Soviet-made tanks and land vehicles. Most importantly, it could also carry mobile ballistic missile systems. In 1985, it entered the inventory of the Russian Army. From 1986 to the present day, 316 units of different variants of these helicopters have been produced. Military and civilian versions of this helicopter were used by 16 countries. This helicopter gave the Soviets great logistical capability. They could transport all kinds of equipment to any point in their country. The Mi-26 Halo is still in production today. With the latest versions, the systems have been renewed and the cockpit has been digitalized. Finally, let's talk about the technical specifications of the Mi-26 Halo. The Mi-26 Halo is manned by a crew of 5. The 40-meter helicopter has a length of 8.14 meters. It has an empty weight of 28.2 tons. Maximum takeoff weight is 56 tons. The fuel capacity of this giant helicopter is 12,000 liters. Its maximum speed is 295 kilometers per hour, and its maximum range is approximately 2,000 kilometers. Halo, which can reach an altitude of 4,900 meters in its empty state, can reach an altitude of 2,000 meters with full load. It holds the world record in this regard, with its 56-ton load. It is the only helicopter in the world that can reach 2,000 meters. Today we introduced you the Mi-26 Halo, the world's largest, heaviest and most powerful helicopter. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.